Yeah, the problem statement is to design a stapler where the impact energy that is given first is being used to do the stapling. Like, it's not being moved. This motion is being used for stapling, and this works like there is a spring here. The spring gets tension after this point when it moves from this to this. Here it's normally used for holding the paper, and this size depends on the size of the paper that we give. Okay, now the concept, it means there can be a thing which can be flexed in this direction. It's a flexible material, can be flexed in this direction, flexed this way, and then this flexed force here, the stapling is being done, and in between, when it is flexed, it looks like the paper is here. It is being flexed in this direction, paper is being put, and then after it's flexed, the elasticity of the material pushes it down, and the punching happens. Maybe this sketch should do. This should be thin for it to be flexed. It can be in this way, so that this part is being flexed. This can be elongated so that you can hold the edge properly, and you need hand is just like the hand, fingers, and you need to flex this thing. When you flex it, it becomes when you're doing this, you have to keep the paper here, and after this is being pushed, this is solely the property of the material, and this place has a very sharp or a pin or something. The only action that you have to do is just do this. This will come back on its own, and it gets stapled, and the stapling is done. Storing the stapler can be either in this direction, because this is bigger than this thing. This can be used just for application of the force. When you're being this part from the top view, it can look like that. Two edges of a stapler that can be in this direction. It can be this. When it is being pushed, it pierces into the paper, and it gets bent, as it happens in the early. And you can take that stapler outside. From the top view, it may look like a small hole from which staplers are being given, and the flexed material. This place is not up. Okay. Drawing a top view. I'm drawing this top view of this place with the hand, and just pushing it upwards like a paper. Flexible, very flexible material. This is in the side view. all you need to do is just bring it up and then press it.